Welcome to MBBS Council. In this video, we are going to see the expected NEET 2021 cutoff for All India Institute of Medical Sciences. After watching this video, you will understand everything you need to know if you are planning to opt AIIMS during this year MBBS admission counseling. At present, there are 19 AIIMS with close to 1900 MBBS seats. Apart from these 19 colleges, AIIMS Madurai is likely to begin this year. 12 AIIMS colleges were started in the past 2 years, whereas 7 colleges were more than 8 years old. Tuition fees is lowest in AIIMS, which is just Rs 1600 per year. Apart from tuition fees, you need to pay Rs 150 per month as hostel fees and approximately Rs 3000 per month for food. AIIMS provides the highest stipend amount during the internship. After 4.5 years of study, students will undergo clinical rotations for 1 year. During this time, they will be paid stipend of Rs 23,500 per month. Similarly, for PG students, the whole course is considered as internship and they are paid up to 90,000 per month as salary. Another great advantage of choosing AIIMS is that there is no compulsory rural service obligation like that of state government run medical colleges. So you can move to PG courses right after the completion of the UG course. AIIMS colleges along with the year of establishment is given here. The most important part of medical education is the clinical practice. Medical college without patients and beds will produce substandard doctors. So while choosing medical college, it is better to avoid colleges which are less than 10 years old. Based on the reservation category, the seats are divided. Economically weaker section gets 10% of the seats. Other backward class gets 27% of the seats. SC gets 15% and SC gets 7.5%. The remaining 40.5% is available as unreserved category. Based on the UR reservation percentage, the total UR seats in AIIMS is just 805. 5% physically disabled reservation is available under all reservation categories. The number of PH seats for each category is also given here. During the counseling time, seat matrix will be released by Medical Counselling Committte. It will list the number of seats under each reservation category for all AIIMS medical colleges. Let's look at the cutoff for AIIMS last year. Last year, AIIMS Jammu was the least preferred by students. The first round cutoff was 6086 for unreserved category. And the third round cutoff was 9124. Even though there were only 805 MBBS seats in unreserved category, it took till All India rank 9124 to fill these 805 seats. So we can see all AIIMS colleges are not given equal status. Many students prefer top colleges in their state than selecting recent AIIMS colleges in some other states. For NEET 2021, the All India rank cutoff for AIIMS colleges will remain same. If your All India rank is less than 9,000 this year, then you have good chance to get any one of the AIIMS colleges during 2021 MBBS admission counseling. Last year preference rank for all AIIMS colleges are given here. As expected, AIIMS Delhi was most preferred college with preference rank of 1. Between AIIMS Delhi and AIIMS Bhopal, there are 7 non-AIIMS colleges which students preferred last year. The least preferred AIIMS, which is Jammu, had preference rank of 109. If we check age of AIIMS college, you can observe that 12 AIIMS were started very recently and another 7 were started just 8 years back. The new AIIMS would have good infrastructure coming up in future, but currently it won't have enough beds patients, doctors, lecturers, etc. It takes minimum of 5 years for a medical college to be fully operational. So, students picked better medical colleges in their state instead of choosing AIIMS. Let's say if you belong to Andhra Pradesh, instead of choosing AIIMS Mangalagiri in Guntur district, you would choose Guntur Medical College, which started in 1946 and runs 21 PG courses, compared to AIIMS where construction is still not completed. You can use the college ranking facility available in MBBSCouncil app to get the preference ranking for all medical colleges in India. Apart from these, you can also rank colleges based on various factors such as number of PG courses, age of the college, patients per day, total beds, etc. If you are interested to study in AIIMS Delhi, your All India rank should be within this cutoff ranks. For other AIIMS colleges, you can use the cutoff facility or college predictor facility available in MBBSCouncil Android app. You can find the installation link for the app in the description below. For AIIMS, 4 rounds of counselling are conducted. First 3 rounds are conducted by MCC and the 4th round, also called a stray round counselling, is conducted by AIIMS Delhi. You can see the last year vacancy matrix for each round. During round 1, there were 805 unreserved seats available. During round 2, only 217 seats were vacant and are filled during the second round. For round 3, 78 seats were available and during the stray round, only 41 seats were available. You might have observed that the cutoff reduces in each round. If you are very particular in studying in AIIMS colleges, then you have to wait till the last round of counselling without joining other top colleges through All India Counselling or through state counselling, even though you have sufficient score to get them. You need to be careful in taking this risk, as many states do not allow fresh registrations in the second round state counselling. Last year, 120 students were filled by AIIMS in the stray round counselling. You will be called to visit the counselling venue for spot admission. Check the All India rank cutoff for stray round counselling. It is close to 15,700 All India rank, almost double of third round mop-up counselling. For SC category, cutoff rank was 82,000 and for ST category, it was close to 1 lakh. As I said earlier, AIIMS College MBBS admission counselling will be conducted by Medical Counselling Committee. You need to visit the MCC website regularly after NEET results are announced to participate in the counselling. Recommended choice filling order for toppers is given here. The first choice would be AIIMS Delhi. Then the next choice is JIPMER Puducherry, followed by Delhi colleges because of availability of internal PG quota. After this, you can place older AIIMS colleges followed by top medical colleges in your state. After that, you can choose new AIIMS colleges followed by rest of the medical colleges in your state. Only after filling your state colleges, add nearby state colleges. Work is going on for 4 more new AIIMS colleges. Some of them may begin from this year itself. This will add few more AIIMS seats which will further reduce the cutoff. The NEET 2021 score cutoff is expected to be around 625 for general category students based on the NEET 2021 results announced by NTA. This brings us to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, cheer us by clicking the thumbs up button. If you have any doubts regarding MBBS admission counselling, you can contact Counselling Helpline 044 4631 3330. See you in the next video.